Welcome back to Whatever I Cook, and today I made one of my go-to quick weeknight meals, and it is this vodka pasta, but it's not a vodka sauce, it's just the tomato paste, and you'll see all the ingredients to come. And I just serve this with a protein. Typically we don't do a protein, and I just do the pasta with a veggie side and a salad. But today my husband was feeling steak, so this is what we use. So stay tuned. In the next clip I will go over the ingredients and then we'll put everything together. So follow along and come cook with me. Okay, to make this pasta you're going to need 1/4 cup of olive oil, a small shallot finely chopped, a clove or two of garlic finely chopped or grated. I'm doing about 6-ounce can of tomato paste, and then you'll need 3/4 cup of heavy cream. I do 3/4 cup because I'm also going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter and some of the gluten-free pasta water. Instead of salt and pepper, I'm going to do a teaspoon of adobo seasoning and a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and then I'm going to do as much parmesan as I like. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to do about a 1/2 cup of freshly grated parmesan, and this is from my local grocer. And then I just have like a box, so it's like a pound of, or 12 ounces of gluten-free pasta, and that's the shape that I found. It's considered an elbow macaroni, but this will be really great with this pasta. So this is all that's going into the pasta, and then I'll also have that steak on the side that I'm just going to simply pan fry with some salt and pepper, and that's it. Oh, and I'm making broccolini as well. So that's all the ingredients you need. In the next clip, I'm just going to put it all together. Okay, to a pan, I'm just going to add the olive oil, and this is about 2 ounces. We're gonna add our shallots and garlic and just kind of cook that until fragrant. for the steak, I just had a porterhouse and I just cut off the fillet and the strip part, and I'm just going to simply season it with salt and pepper and pan fry it on each side until like a medium well. So. What I'm doing is letting the steak rest. I let it cook for about 4 minutes per side, and I'm just going to let it rest. Once it's rested, then I'll slice into it and serve it. Yeah, so I'll show you that in a minute. All right, here is the finished plate. This is an easy weeknight meal that I make for my family. It's super simple to put together, and the ingredients are something I always have in my pantry or refrigerator. So this pasta, it's basically a spicy vodka pasta made without the vodka anyways. So if you have a preferred seasoning salt instead of using salt in a specific dish, try using a seasoned salt instead, like in soups or pasta dishes like this. And there you have it. This is my husband's dinner tonight, and he's gonna fully enjoy it. If you like this video in particular and you like these really quick recipes like this, please give a thumbs up and comment below. Please subscribe, like, and share my video, and I am really happy to be here and sharing with you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.